Consider this question. Which of the following represents a significant operational challenge typically encountered with enterprise database systems? Option A, the requirement for multiple user interfaces viewing the database. Option B, the requirement to handle extended or long-running transactions. Option C, the requirement for simultaneous multi-user updates. Option D, the requirement to print physical records manually. Enterprise database systems are complex platforms designed to manage vast amounts of data across various applications. When we look at their operational requirements, we must distinguish between standard functionalities that developers design for and actual hurdles that impact stability and performance. Understanding the limitations and trade-offs of database engines is crucial for maintaining a healthy and efficient infrastructure. In my view, the correct answer is option B, the requirement to handle extended or long-running transactions. These are challenging because they hold locks on database resources for a long time, which negatively impacts concurrency and increases the risk of deadlocks. Furthermore, these transactions consume extensive log space, placing a significant burden on the system's storage and recovery processes. Let's look at the alternatives. Options A and C are actually standard features that enterprise databases are built to handle routinely. Multi-user access and multiple interfaces are fundamental goals of database architecture. Option D involves manual physical printing, which is an archaic practice and not a typical operational hurdle for modern automated systems. Therefore, managing extended transactions stands out as the primary technical challenge.